Hi friends, welcome to this pre-market analysis of Nifty, where on a chart we try to make informed guesses of where buyers and sellers are. So this is Nifty on a daily time frame, and these are the fair value gaps and the levels that we had drawn yesterday. So as you can see, Nifty has taken um, has made a huge up move today. It was a gap up and a great up move. So, but the move did not sustain. 24,000 sellers actually pushed Nifty all the way down. This was a red fair value gap that was supposed to be sell side liquidity, but that's all taken now. That those the stop loss of those orders have already been hit, and they must have turned uh, by now. Let's just get rid of all that analysis and start afresh. So what we do here, once again, let me explain. We analyze Nifty on different time frames, starting from the monthly all the way down to the hourly time frame. This is Nifty on a monthly time frame. Here we have a table in which we manually input the biases. Now on a monthly time frame, it says not sure. I do not have a bias on Nifty because for a bullish bias, it has to be higher lows formed or and lower highs for bearish bias. So none of that here right now. So it's not sure. But there are two levels to look out for. One is where the buyers are, and the other is where the sellers are. Oops. Oh, and where the sellers are. Yeah, drum rolls, and that is where these are the only two important levels to look out for on a monthly time frame. So basically, it's this swing low and this swing low. That's it. That's simple. Let's go to a weekly time frame. On a weekly time frame, Nifty is bearish. Why is it bearish? Because this is a swing high, a lower high, and lower high. Three lower highs, and this lower high is still protected, not taken. That's why it is bearish. And an important level, well, it's a fair value gap. This is the buy side liquidity that has been protecting Nifty from a large fall. It still holds some importance. In 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks, it has eaten into all that liquid. Nifty has eaten all that liquidity up, but still holds some value. Going over to the daily time frame. On a daily time frame, Nifty is bullish. We have mentioned bullish here. There's a swing low and there is a higher low. So that's the reason Nifty is bullish. So as you can see, how powerful this analysis is. So there is a bullish time frame and there's a bullish structure that's formed here, and then you see the blast that happened in Nifty. This high was invalidated and then it was a blast. So that's how market structure works. And is there another time? Yes. So these three candles are right here are 1, 2, 3 red candles together are an order block, and they are the reason for this huge up move. So the midpoint of that, I've just marked it here just in case. Well, I would say I'm still not very convinced with this up move. So in case maybe after the expiry, Nifty and Sensex expiry, Nifty decides to come down, then here's where Nifty has to come to. But I'm not saying Nifty will fall, but I'm just saying I'm still not very convinced. Hmm, What's the next thing I have marked up? Yes, so in the up move, the target for Nifty is this 2490, 24,100. So that is where Nifty is going to take a support, a resistance. And let's move on to the next item that I have marked here, and this is a fair value gap, that a bullish fair value gap that Nifty has formed on a daily time frame. Going over to the 4-hour time frame, Nifty is bullish. Why is it bullish? This is a swing low and this is a higher low. And in let's go to an hourly time frame or an hourly time frame. Let's take a look. This is a swing low and this is a higher low. So here also, and hourly also, Nifty has become bullish. Let me just quickly correct this. So that is it for today. From the daily all the way down to the hourly time frame, it's all bullish. It's bearish on a weekly time frame and a monthly. It's not sure. So we do not know if it's a proper reversal. Then it has to go all the way up to the monthly time frame. It will take some time for the monthly time frame to change. Otherwise, let's keep our fingers crossed. Once again, I'm not a certified analyst. I do this only for educational purpose. Thank you.